It's going.
So much violence.
Hi, how's everyone doing? I'm just walking back from my internship place at Nova UCD, right there. So right now I'm walking back to Belf Grove residence to go back to my apartment, and I think it would be a good way to show you guys around on campus as well, because what if you decide to go here for your summer abroad, then you get to know campus at UCD a little bit better. So let's go. So UCD campus is around 130 plus hectare, and it's located around 4 kilometers to the south of Dublin city. So whenever I take a bus, it usually takes me around 20 to 30 minutes to go inside the center cities. This is the bus stop. So we don't have to go outside of campus to take the bus, but the bus actually comes to us, which is really convenient. We also have Centra, which is a mini supermarket on campus. It also has two big lakes. One of them is right here behind me, and there's a lot of wildlife animals. As you can see, we have swans, ducks, birds, and they are really extremely friendly. I can just like stay here in front of them and they won't move. Having different buildings for different major, usually has a library, a post office, a giant gym centers, a student centers, and etc. You know what I mean? It's a huge campus. My favorite things to do around campus is actually running on the woodland path around UCD. So outside of UCD, they have 8 kilometers of woodland path, and it allows you to discover the campus in a different ways. You see a lot of trees, bird species, and then you discover some very cool, unique place around campus. And my apartment is right here in building 35, and I stay right there. So this is my apartment. We have a kitchen with a mini refrigerator, microwave, and essential stuff for students. I'm sharing this apartment with 3 other people. We all have our single bathroom, and then we also have 2 bathrooms. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour around campus, and you will discover more by yourself when you finally get here. So for this vlog, I want to update you guys on what I have been doing around here, where have I visited, and what's going on in my internship. And especially for this vlog, I want to focus more on international students. So I want to give you guys my experience as well as the tips for international students to make friends while they study abroad. I've been on 2 school trips that UCD is very nice enough to organize for us. The first one is the cliff of Moher, which is the sea cliff located at the southwestern side of Ireland in County Clare. It is one of Ireland's national treasures as well as UNESCO recognized site. We also went on a hiking trip with UCD at Glendalough, which is located inside the Wicklow National Park of Ireland, and this is to the further south of Ireland. Visited Rusborough House? Rusborough? I don't know how to pronounce it. But anyway, it is regarded as one of Ireland's most beautiful houses. Moving along to my internship. My internship has been going really well. Another special occasion happened in my internship is Josie and myself, we decided to celebrate 4th of July in Ireland. I want to share 4th of July with our colleagues. So the day before 4th of July, we went to supermarket. We bought blueberry, strawberry, and marshmallow. And we also bought like little mini sticks. Went back and we put them together in a very nice little fruit kebabs. We brought our fruit kebabs to the upselling us, and people were surprised first of all, and then they were all really happy and they want to learn more about the National Day of America. Our boss also let us have a days off to celebrate it, so I was extremely happy. So from my experience as an international student, I know that it's very hard to make friends when you study abroad because you have different cultures from American students. So I definitely had a very difficult time the first few weeks trying to get to know people and make new connections. However, I do have some tips that I want to share with you because I think that those tips can help you to make friends easier. Usually take the initiative to introduce myself, come to them and say hello, give them my names, and learn more about their cultures, their traditions, their backgrounds. And I think by doing so, they know that I am open to learn more about their cultures, and hence they also want to learn more about my cultures and my background. For international students, English is not their native language. So for my case, sometimes I could not talk as fast as I want in the conversations. However, I tend to be engaged in a different ways. I can listen to their story, I can look at them and show them that I am interested in what they are saying. And sometimes if I want to say something, I will signal them by using my body language. Sometimes I just raise my hand and say, hey, I have a question, hey, I want to give feedback on this and that, and for them to let me join the conversation with them. So my third tips for you guys is to share our own cultures and traditions through food. So I know that I'm from Vietnam and I have different backgrounds from my roommates, so I take that as my advantage. So one day I told my roommate that I'm going to make family dinner for everyone, and it would be Asian food. So I went to the Asian market, I got all of the ingredients to make hot pot. I also make them fries, spring roll and dumplings. And after that, I invite all of my American friends to come over and try it. So they were really happy and they decided that they will come and visit my country if they have time. So that's a wrap for my third vlog. I hope you guys can pick up some tips to make new friends and what to do and where to travel in Ireland, as well as learn a little bit more about UCD campus. Stay tuned for my final vlog before I depart and go back to my country, Vietnam, and visit my family and my friends and my home. Oh, I miss them so much. But yeah, alright, I see you guys later.